and welcome to the Prevent4Work app.
Prevent4Work is funded by the EU and aims to prevent and reduce musculoskeletal problems at the workplace. For this purpose, interactive digital tools and easy accessible information based on the most current scientific knowledge have been developed.
Now we will tell you about the Prevent4Work app. In the app, you will have access to the virtual training platform as well as all of our educational videos. And if you want, the app lets you contribute to our research for a better understanding of the risks for work-related musculoskeletal pain.
Everything is ready for you to download to your iPhone or Android device. The app is called P4Work and you will find it in your App Store. The first thing you have to do after downloading is to register. Once you have registered, you will receive an email to activate your account. Then just enter your email and password and log in.
Here you can see the main screen. You can view your profile and change the language if you prefer. The next step is to connect with your national project manager. In the case of Spain, it's San Jorge University. To connect, simply choose the institution, read the GDPR policies and press Contact Request. You will receive an email informing you that the contact to your national project manager has been successful.
Back to the main screen. The next step will be to access My Tasks. Here you can complete our survey and the Prevent4Work questionnaire, which will provide us with valuable information about work-related musculoskeletal pain. You will find questions about physical, psychological and social aspects.
Moreover, it will allow us to explore possible knowledge gaps and help us to develop new courses and audiovisual material.
Once finished, you only have to press Send. If you have any queries, you can consult the responsible institution in your country.
Finally, we want to introduce you to the section called Virtual Platform. You will be able to view all the educational videos related to musculoskeletal pain and work. You can choose to search the videos based on title or language. Also, you can access personalized courses within our training platform.
That's all for now.
In the next video tutorial, you will learn more about our educational platform.
You can learn more about work-related pain from Prevent4Work on Facebook and YouTube.